Welcome, Barber, to this lesson on the layers of the scalp. As a professional in the hair industry, understanding the scalp's anatomy is essential to providing exceptional service to our clients. Let's dive into the layers that lie beneath the hair we work with every day. The first layer we encounter is the epidermis, the outermost layer of the scalp. It consists of multiple layers of epithelial cells that protect the underlying tissues. A healthy epidermis directly impacts the overall scalp condition and hair growth. For instance, regular exfoliation of the scalp helps remove dead skin cells, dirt, and excess oils, promoting a healthy environment for your hair to grow and ensuring that the scalp stays clean and refreshed. In certain conditions, such as dandruff, where the epidermis is throwing off lots of skin cells, you start to notice big flaky patches coming out of the hair, and this is very unhealthy. You need to understand that and be able to advise your client on that. There will be more on conditions such as dandruff later on in these lessons. Beneath the epidermis, we find the dermis, which plays a significant role in providing blood to the hair follicle, and that is what causes your hair to grow. Without that blood, then the hair won't grow. The dermis also contains these tiny little tunnel structures from which hair grows, the hair follicle. Understanding the hair follicle's anatomy and its connection to the sebaceous gland and erector pili muscle is essential in maintaining healthy hair. Understanding that each head hair has a sebaceous gland, and that sebaceous gland is there to moisturize and protect the hair, is vital information that you can pass to your client to help them understand any problems that they might be having when it comes to dry or oily scalp. I did mention the blood supply of the dermis. The dermis houses an extensive network of blood vessels that nourish the hair follicles with essential nutrients, which contribute to strong and vibrant hair growth. Underneath that is the hypodermis, also known as subcutaneous tissue, which lies beneath the dermis. The hypodermis contains fat cells that act as insulation and provide cushioning for the scalp. Proper care of this layer ensures scalp comfort and overall well-being for our clients during and after haircuts. You can work on this area using massage. Massage of the scalp during hair treatments not only feels pleasant, but also helps stimulate blood circulation and enhances nutrient delivery to the hair, promoting healthy hair growth. Not every barbershop will offer massage, but understanding what you're actually massaging does help. As a barber, it's crucial that you understand the layers of the scalp for providing the best service and maintaining your client's scalp and hair health. If necessary, you'll be able to recommend proper scalp care routines, exfoliation, and massage techniques to your clients as they contribute to healthy, vibrant hair. By nurturing the scalp, you contribute to the confidence and well-being of your clients, making their experience with you exceptional. Not only will it build loyalty with your clients, but also it'll build their confidence in you, and they will speak well of you to other people. Finally, I just want to say, if you don't think that layers of the scalp are important, you go into any supermarket or pharmacy in the world, you're going to see shelves full of all kinds of hair products for all different scalp types. You'll see moisturizing shampoos, you'll see citrus shampoos for cutting moisture, you're going to see oily hair, all kinds of products, conditioners for conditioning the scalp, scalp massaging tools. There's all sorts of things that you can use to work on a person's scalp depending on the skin type and the hair type that they have, or any difficulties that they're having with their scalp. But if you can give your clients even the smallest piece of advice that helps them to look after their scalp, they'll appreciate it and they'll remember your service and come back to you all the time.